This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add storage to your PlayStation 4. So if you got like a USB stick or something like that, you can just plug this into the front of your PlayStation or in the back of it, and you can increase the storage. Now, not all USB devices are going to work if they're too small. You're not going to be able to store games on them, but we can just connect it and go to the settings and just see if ours is compatible or not. So we can just go up to the top now. Go to settings right here, scroll on down to devices. Then we can go to USB storage devices and select this. And you can see my disk 20 is in here. It's only like 31 gigabytes. But we can select this and we can format this for extended storage. So let's go to this. Now this says it has to be USB 3.0 later, 250 gigabytes minimum, up to 8 terabytes maximum to use this as storage on your PlayStation 4. So that's all you have to meet for the requirements, and then you should be able to format this so it works on your PlayStation 4. Now, if you want to go ahead and open up your PlayStation, install a different hard drive, you do have that option by just removing the side piece. And if you do replace your hard drive, I would suggest an SSD off Amazon. Get like 1 or 2 terabytes and place it in here. And then that should work quicker. Just look at the requirements specifically for that. I think these are just standard laptop drives. And then you can just remove the screw and put it in there. Now the only thing is when you get a new hard drive in there, or a new drive, you're going to have to go to the PlayStation website and you're going to have to reinstall the system software on it with a USB. Because when you place the new hard drive in there, it's not going to have the operating system for the PlayStation 4. You need to use a USB drive from the PlayStation website. And then I think you have to put it into safe mode and reinstall the system software. So you can just check that out too. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.